This tiny seed rebuilds muscle better than eggs, my dear friend. If you're over 60 and you've noticed it's harder to stand up from a chair, your knees feel weak on stairs, or you simply don't have the strength to carry the groceries like you used to, please lean in close, because what I am about to share is the answer many of my patients call nothing short of a miracle. There is one tiny seed, smaller than a sesame seed, that gives you more complete muscle-building protein per ounce than eggs, more anti-inflammatory omega-3 south than wild salmon, more magnesium than spinach, more calcium than milk, and 11 grams of fiber that heals your gut and protects your muscles. This seed costs about 15 cents a day, needs zero cooking, and can be added to anything you already eat. Yet 99% of seniors have never tried it, and the few who have are doing it completely wrong, getting almost none of the benefits. My name is Dr. Thomas Reed. For 36 years, I've helped thousands of men and women over 60 rebuild their strength safely and naturally. Today, I am giving you the exact protocol I give my private patients, the one that helps them walk taller, play with grandkids again, and feel decades younger in their legs and arms. Let's begin. This is the mighty chia seed, from a flowering mint plant in Central America. Aztec warriors used to run for 24 hours on just a handful. Modern science now proves why. 2 tablespoons, 1 ounce of chia seeds deliver 5 g of complete protein, all 9 essential amino acids, rare for any plant, 5 g of omega-3 south, more rare than salmon, minus 175 milligrams calcium, 18% daily needs, minus 95 milligrams magnesium, 24% daily needs, minus 11 grams fiber, 44% daily needs, powerful antioxidants, quercetin, chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, compare that to 1 large egg, 6 g protein, but 0 omega-3 south, almost no magnesium, no fiber, no antioxidants. Ounce for ounce, chia wins across the board. But here's the heartbreaking truth almost nobody tells you. If you eat chia seeds dry, straight from the bag, or sprinkled on food, you absorb almost nothing. That hard outer shell was designed by God to pass through birds and animals intact, so the plant could spread. In humans, whole dry chia seeds go in one end, and come out the other exactly the same. You'll literally see them in the toilet. 0 protein, 0 omega-3 south, 0 minerals. You might as well be eating tiny pebbles. The seniors who are rebuilding muscle faster than people half their age all do one simple thing. They hydrate or grind their seeds first. Here's exactly how. My top 5 ways, ranked from good to life-changing. 5. Chia Fresca, the refreshing Mexican drink, to TBSP chia plus 2 cups water plus fresh lime, plus touch of honey, gives stir, and wait 15 minutes, feels like bubble tea, hydrates you, 0 effort. 4. Chia oatmeal booster, stir to TBSP chia into your oats in the last 5 minutes of cooking. Instant thickness plus 5 g extra protein. 3. Chia smoothies and protein shakes, add to TBSP chia to any smoothie. Let sit 5 minutes. With protein powder and fruit, gives 35 to 40 g protein in one delicious glass. 2. Ground chia powder, perfect if you hate the gel texture. Grind in a coffee grinder, gives fine powder, gives stir into yogurt, cottage cheese, soups, salads. 100% absorption, 0 texture. 1. Overnight chia pudding, the undisputed gold standard, to TBSP chia, plus 1 cup milk, or Greek yogurt plus pinch cinnamon, plus vanilla, gives refrigerate overnight in the morning. Creamy, delicious pudding. Add berries, nuts, a little honey. Tastes like dessert, works like medicine. Make 5 jars on Sunday, gives grab-and-go breakfast all week. And here are 5 more superstar seeds to rotate with. Chia variety keeps you excited and gives broader nutrients. Hemp seeds gives 10 g protein in 3 TBSP. Soft and nutty, no prep needed. Pumpkin seeds gives 9 g protein plus highest magnesium on earth. Flax seeds gives 6 g omega-3 south, must be ground. Sesame, tahini, gives sky-high calcium. Sunflower gives loaded with vitamin E to protect muscle cells. Now let me give you my exact daily seed muscle protocol that gets my patients 90 to 120 g of high quality protein without any meat if they don't want it. Breakfast overnight chia pudding made with Greek yogurt plus topped with hemp seeds, ground flax, berries, walnuts gives 35 to 40 g protein morning snack handful of roasted pumpkin seeds gives 9 g lunch big colorful salad with chickpeas, avocado, hemp plus sunflower seeds, tahini lemon dressing gives 35 g afternoon / post walk chia protein smoothie, chia plus protein powder plus banana plus berries plus flax gives 35 to 40 g dinner lentil or beans to over quinoa, sprinkled with hemp and sesame gives 35 g optional before bed small chia pudding gives slow release protein while you sleep that's over 100 grams of beautiful, anti-inflammatory, muscle-building protein, distributed perfectly across the day, for about the price of 2 coffees. A few gentle reminders, because I care about you. Start with just 1 tablespoon of chia the first week, so your tummy adjusts to the fiber. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. These seeds love water. Store all seeds in the fridge or freezer. They stay fresh 4 months. Do a few simple chair squats or resistance band moves 2 to 3 times a week. The seeds give the bricks. Movement tells your body where to build the house, my friend. Your muscles are not gone, they're waiting. They're hungry for the right fuel. I've watched 75-year-old patients who needed a cane start dancing with their spouse again. 80-year-olds pick up their great-grandchildren without fear. All because they started eating these tiny gifts from God the right way. Start tonight. Put 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in a jar with milk, shake it, and place it in the fridge. Tomorrow morning you'll wake up to the creamiest, most nourishing breakfast your muscles have had in years. You deserve to feel strong again. You deserve to live every day with joy in your body. If this video touched your heart, please tap the like button. It helps more beautiful souls find this message. Subscribe and ring the bell. I release a new science-packed video every single week. And in the comments, write this simple sentence: I'm starting with chia pudding tonight. I read every single comment, and I will personally reply to as many as I can. You are deeply, deeply loved. Your strongest, happiest, most vibrant chapter is still ahead. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you richly.